YouTube released something called promotions, and if you haven't seen it, it's a new tab inside your Creator Studio that basically allows you to set up a paid campaign to help you get more views and more subscribers. So I went ahead and tested this myself, and every time there's a new feature on YouTube, I like to test it myself and show you guys the results, and that's exactly what we'll do in this video. Also, I'm going to show you how to set it up yourself so you can also test it to see if it works for you. Hey guys, this is Lester DS, and the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our YouTube Creator Studio. Inside the YouTube Creator Studio, you'll find this new promotions tab, and the first thing they're gonna ask you is, what account do you want to use? Now in this case, I didn't have an account set up. I have a Google Ads account, which is typically how you tend to promote YouTube videos and all types of campaigns. So I simply created a new account to show you guys from scratch what this actually looks like. So in this step, it asks you what video do you want to promote. So I went ahead and selected a YouTube short that I believe will bring me some good, valuable subscribers that might be interested in the type of content that I make for my channel. Now, keep in mind that once you set up your promotions, YouTube will actually place the video for you. So you don't get to choose your placement, you simply let YouTube do that for you. So now we have to create our targeted audience, meaning choosing the people we want to watch our videos. This could be potential subscribers that you want for your channel. Now this is where you get to choose how much money you want to spend for this specific campaign. I would say you don't need to spend a lot of money, but in this case, what I decided to do is to just spend 50 bucks just to see what would happen. You can see that YouTube allows you to select how long you want to run this campaign for, and also it provides an estimate of how many views you can expect for that amount of money. Now, even though they say you can spend $100 and you'll get better results, I would say stick to your budget. Don't listen to YouTube. We're simply testing this. The last step is to simply add your payment details in order to get your campaign going. All right, so we added our payment details, and now all we have to do is click the little promote button. And according to YouTube, it will actually count how many subscribers you get from this promotion. So people who click subscribe after watching your video will show up in the stats of this promotion. Now we gotta wait for our ad to get approved.
4 to 6 days later.
So you can see our promotion ended and the cost was $50 with 46 cents. We got 20,851 impressions and our promotion views were 187 views. And when it comes to subscribers, as you can see, we got 21 subscribers. That means we paid on average $2.40 for every single new subscriber we got from this promotion. This is only a test that I did with one video. I haven't tested my regular videos that will typically do well with long form. Maybe that will work better if I use a longer form video instead of a YouTube short. So obviously I need to make more tests, use long videos, and also use YouTube shorts. And maybe instead of spending $50 for a single YouTube promotion, I can just split it into different videos, long videos and short videos with just $10 for each video, so I can then identify which one would drive the most views and also subscribers, and then based on that I would see if it's worth it or not. And obviously I wasn't expecting to get 10,000 subscribers from just a $50 promotion. However, this simplified version of creating YouTube promotions could be a great way for brand new channels or people who are very close to getting monetized to go over the edge and get the subscribers they need to hopefully get monetized. So I would highly encourage you to just test this yourself on your own channel to see what type of results you get. And if you want to learn how I've been able to grow my channel organically on YouTube, then go ahead and click on this video, because this is basically what I've been using over the past few years to grow my channel, not only in regards to new subscribers, but also to get consistent views on a month-to-month basis. So go and check it out. I think it's really gonna help you set up a strategy that you can use over time to hopefully grow your channel even more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.